Hi, this is Francis from Easel, and today I just want to make a quick video because as we're building out this Easel YouTube channel, we're looking for suggestions on the kinds of projects we can make and demonstrate in our videos so that people can be seeing content that they want to see and seeing projects they want to make kind of put together and designed so that we can create things that users want to make. And so we're just looking for some feedback for people to comment on this video and let us know what they'd like to see us do so we can kind of begin to implement that and show those kind of longer form projects that might be something cool or something you've seen online that you want us to kind of investigate. One thing that I've heard a couple of times is stuff like parametric wall art, those kinds of things. So we're certainly looking into making content that's a little more kind of how to make this specific thing, and we really want our users to kind of be proactive and help us figure out the kind of content you want to see. So please share a thought in the comments below. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.